One of our clients approached us with a specific request. They were looking for check-in system for their manufacturing facility. Their requirements were they need check-in kiosk for the lobby, convenient dashboard, and all the data must be stored in local databases and be easily accessible for them and easy to manage. We're pretty familiar with the solutions available on the market, but also we remember visiting UniFi conference in Miami last year. They used their super cool kiosk and all visitors registered using them. It's a part of UniFi platform, so it's license free. And we decided to dig deeper to understand how everything works and how we can use it in our case.
Our stand is almost ready. I want to tell you how we will connect all the pieces. So we have a printer, it's a network printer. It needs to be connected to the same network as an iPad, and they need to be on the same subnet with a access control, with a NVR, access control in that case running on a NVR. And we have a problem, so we have Wi-Fi coverage in this area, but our access points managed by CloudKey, and they are on like completely different network. So we thought how we can connect them, and we found this device, very nice device. So it has Ethernet port, and it's a PoE in, and it has USB-C out. So you can actually run Ethernet cable connected to any PoE port, and you will have both connection to the network and the power to the iPad, which is pretty awesome.
This building already equipped with a UniFi access control. They use it for doors outside and inside the facility. They use it for the gates. But they still use paper journal to log visitors. We're using tablet running UniFi Access application in Kiosk Mode with a paired brother network printer, so we can print label stickers with the QR code, and visitors can use them to access different zones of the facility. Let's talk about how this system works. Employees of the facilities can create invitations for visitors, and they can send invitations by text or email, and they gonna visit something like this. So here you can see QR code, and when visitor arrive to the site, they can simply scan QR code using Kiosk. All the information pre-filled. You can see it on the screen. Continue. Make a photo. And now I can use this QR code and according to credentials and doors I can open, it's gonna work. Let's go to test it.
Welcome, Vladimir.
So as you can see, it works perfectly on the main door. We also have a gates with an intercom. Let's go test it there. So as you can see, QR codes, printed QR codes, it's you don't need to explain visitors how to use them. It's pretty self-explanatory. You don't need to assign NFC cards or PIN codes. So this solution is pretty useful and convenient. Another scenario when visitor can arrive without pre-made visitor pass and invitation. He just came in, and person can manually check in using our kiosk. Let me show how it looks like. So continue without QR code. I will input my name. This is actual phone number. You can call us using this phone number. YesTechie. Done. Let's make a photo. Okay. Now the system automatically will call the admin to get permission. I click on approve. I can choose exact location I want to give access to. Let's do main entrance. Save. Done. Okay. Badge printed and ready to use. So now you know how everything looks from the visitor side. Now let's see how everything looks like from the side of the management. Clients specifically ask us to create dashboard similar to traditional journal, but all the data must be saved to their local database. Let's check the dashboard. So we have a login page where manager can log in and see our journal. You can filter, search by different parameters such as name, company, email, phone, etc. You can check by status of the visitor. You can choose any time period. And here you can see timestamp, date, you can see name, last name, all the data visitor provided when he registered at the kiosk. You can also see photo he made. So the system is pretty simple, but very convenient and very easy to use. We tested Kiosk Mode in different scenarios. It's very flexible. You can gather all standard data, visitor's ID, visitor's photo. You can set approval requirement from client's employee. It already offers you a connection to the network printer for the badges. So we just need to create local database and custom dashboard. At YesTechie, we work closely with our clients to better understand their business processes and specific requirements to provide them with the custom solutions that can improve their business operations and save money. If you're looking for a technology provider with extensive knowledge, experience, and willingness to listen for your specific needs, contact us at YesTechie.com and we will be happy to assist you with your project.